Hello guys, I'm Asmarani Siregar from Accounting Program in North Sumatra University, and I will deliver micro teaching regarding Chapter 5 Accounting, and I will discuss Chapter 5 Responsibility Accounting. In Chapter 5, there are 4 sub-chapters. The first, Traditional Accounting Responsibility. 2. Accounting Report. 3. Deficient Analysis and Flexible Budget. 4. Accounting Responsibility Alternative Approach. Organizational Structure. Before we go into discussion Chapter 5, Responsibility Accounting, we must know what Responsibility Accounting. Responsibility Accounting is an accounting system is designed so well that I can record and report income or cost arising from carrying out an activity to the manager so that it is responsible for the activity. The organizational structure is grouped according to function, product and geography. The functional approach classification the company activity base, the main function of the company, among other, the production function, marketing, personnel, and finance. Important characteristic of organizational that support control operational, that is, the 1. There is no overlap in assignment responsibility. 2. Every manager clearly understand his responsibilities. 3. Individuals who are given responsibility must have adequate authority. Okay, responsibility accounting. 3 approach to accountability accounting. The 1, functional approach, where in functional approach is made so that we can easily understand is using 3 divisions at once, namely marketing, production, and finance. 2. Product approach. 3. Geographical approach, where in geographical approach, the total cost for all operation is the same as the total cost in the functional and product approach. In the geographical approach, the structure of the company in the organizational is based on the geographical area. And efficiency accountability accounting system must separate with costs are controlled from those that are not controlled. In the traditional view, the basic assumption of responsibility accounting to the individuals who are authorized to control activity must be responsible for a cost incurred due to the implementation of the activity. Nextnya, the cost of its element of expenditure. 1. Price its unit. 2. The quality of the element used. Accountability report, where in responsibility accounting involves all central manager responsible. According to the traditional view, the accountability report has two objects. 1. Motivate individuals to achieve high performance-based reporting efficiency and inefficiency to the responsibility central manager and his supervisor. 2. Provide information that can help responsibility center manager identify inefficiency so that they can control costs more efficiently. And the accountability report is an accountability report where one of the tasks of the report is to evaluate performance. And in the responsibility center report, there are characteristics of the accountability report. 1. The report must be in accordance with the organizational structure. 2. The report must be consistent in form and content every time it is published. 3. Report must be timely. 4. Report must be published regularly. 5. Report must be easy to understand. 6. The report contains success by not extensive detail. 7. Report must present a comparative report. 8. Report must be analytical. 9. Report for operating manager must provide information about the physical unit and the amount of rupiah. Within the organization important characteristic, the most important characteristic is that there is no overlap in the boundaries of responsibility, where in one company there shall not be more than one manager who get along in the same activity. Division analysis and flexible budget. In the analysis in regularities and budget formulation, we will discuss the preposition of flexible budget and the preposition of irregularities report. For we must know what is flexible budget. Flexible budget is a budget that is adjusted to the actual level of activity. Before we compare a flexible budget, we must formulate a formula, and in a flexible budget, there is a definition of expenditure, and what is meant by a definition budget is the difference between the actual cost and the budget cost in the actual activity. And the expenditure definition can be determined with the formula. And the flexible report, this formula is expenditure definition actual cost minus budget cost in real activity. Next, we discuss completion of irregularity report or complication, where in the preparation of the deficient report, we can by comparing the operation that is budget at the actual level and actual overhead and the overhead charge. The deficient is calculated by compare overhead budget at the level of activity indeed. The real overhead and the overhead are charged in order to provide a report detail to manager organizer. Accounting alternative approach. The responsibility accounting system is a logical development of an alternative style of management that is styled widely participated by company. In the participant story management style, employees and manager have the same responsibility as team member. In the alternative accounting accountability approach, there are two characteristics of the usefulness of responsibility accounting. One, relating to the dysfunctional behavior of managers who are evaluated on the basis of the performance requirement with the system. Two, related to the success and usefulness of data gathered by the system for manager. And in an alternative approach, there is a dysfunctional behavior of manager. One, manager tends to prioritize own interests. Two, manager concentrate attention to active man the budget. Three, manager concentrate attention on term target source. Four, manager who are weak in manipulating with success. Usefulness of information for manager. Furthermore, in accounting for the alternative approach, there is usefulness of information for manager. Division of effort with them. 1. Keep manager accountable for costs. 2. Provides useful information for the central manager of responsibility in the effort to control business activity. 3. Become more efficient. The problem is that arises when inside party determination. 1. As of activity measure based on volume. 2. Overly cost report. 3. Data is financial. 4. The report is not timely. Okay, thanks guys. Alright, so this is my micro teaching paper which discuss chapter 5 regarding accounting responsibility. If there are mistakes in word and my deliver word properly, I'm sorry and I say thank you.